I want to show you today how to make a basic green smoothie. I don't always have time to eat a salad, so this is the basic on-the-go drink that will keep you going for the entire day. The basic ingredients we are going to use for the smoothie are some lovely baby spinach leaves. We're going to add some celery, some banana or avocado pear, that adds the creamy taste to the smoothie. And then if you would like to be more adventurous, you can add some hemp seeds or chia seeds, some superfoods. And then of course also the lemon juice. But I love to put frozen berries into my green smoothie because that just hides the green color. So we're going to add the spinach leaves. You can add a lot of them. Actually want to add some both. And some superfoods. Lemon juice. Celery sticks. And you finished off with your frozen berries. I also find that when the green smoothie is nice and cold, it's easier to drink. You can add a bit of stevia or any natural sweetener to the smoothie, if you desire. I love to use a high power blender, like a Vitamix. It's absolutely perfect because I want my smoothies to be smooth and everything needs to be blended in. And then I can also sneak some nuts or seeds into my smoothie and my children won't even notice that. You would need to add a bit of water as well. And there you've got your basic green smoothie.